Hello, my dear friends. HUTO STEM is back. Today, I have a wonderful story to share with you. It's about a race between two very different animals. One is fast, one is slow. But can you guess who wins? Let's find out together. The Hare and the Tortoise. One fine day, a hare was being a bit unkind and made fun of his friend the tortoise for being such a slow coach. The hare laughed and said, "How do you ever actually get anywhere?" Replied the tortoise. "Oh, I get there all right, and much sooner than you might think. Why don't we run a race, and you will find out?" The hare thought this was highly amusing and giggled as he pictured himself zipping along miles ahead of the slow old tortoise. "Okay, you're on," agreed the hare. They got their friend the fox to act as the church, and he counted down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and off you go. Very quickly, the hare raced ahead, and it was way off in the distance as the tortoise crept slowly along on his little legs, carrying the heavy shell on his back. The hare knew the tortoise was a very long way back and would take ages to catch up, so he thought he would have a little sleep, and that would make the tortoise feel very silly for challenging him, a hare, to a race. Then he could spring up and dash for the finish line. Now, the tortoise just kept plodding slowly and steadily along, and as time went on, he passed the spot where the hare lay fast asleep. The tortoise just kept going until he was very close to the finish line. The hare suddenly woke up and ran as fast as he could. But he was too late. The tortoise crossed the line and was declared the winner. And the moral of that story is that it is not always the fastest who wins the race. This is the end of the story. Goodbye and see you next time.